Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying what your system is using and why that matters. Check your device IP, gateway, and DNS entries with ipconfig or ifconfig so you know the current state. Once done, switch to a wired connection if possible and disable any VPN or proxy. They often mask DNS issues. Then open a terminal or command prompt as administrator. You need elevated permissions to flush caches and update network settings. This immediate context lets you safely change DNS without guessing. Now perform targeted fixes. Flush the DNS cache to remove stale records. Use ipconfig/flushdns on Windows or the equivalent on Linux/Mac OS so old entries stop interfering. Next, set a reliable resolver. Try 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8. 8, 8. 8 or point to your local DNS server, then apply those adapter settings. Finally, validate results with ping, nslookup, or dig to check both resolution and response time. If names resolve but responses are slow, you have a latent. Finish by restarting the network stack and rebooting your router and device so new settings stick. Make sure the router isn't forcing its own DNS, and inspect firewall or DNSSEC settings that can block queries. If problems persist, contact your ISP to rule out upstream outages and temporarily switch to an alternate public resolver to isolate the issue. As a troubleshooting tip, collect logs and run continuous pings or dig traces. They reveal whether failures are intermittent, application level, or network-wide.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.